On behalf of our family, Maringani, Manfred and Marvi, Matthias, Heike, and kids, we wish you a Merry Christmas
and a
and
Happy
Happy
New Year.
May you have wonderful years ahead.
God bless.
This is Romel.
I'm Jennifer. This is my kids, Brian and Patricia. To Mother Annie, Manfred, Maripe, Matthias, and Heike and their kids. We would like to greet you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless you.
Bless you all.
Thank you, Bob. Merry Christmas.
Manfred and Maripi. And Mother Annie.
I-on ko nun na may
Oh, hindi ko na. Wala, makuundungan.
Wala yun natin siya. Wala. Ayos.
Hi to everyone. I'm Arsa and Arvin. We would like to greet you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We wish you a nice and wonderful New Year. God bless you all.
This is Sarah,
And this is Jilo.
Mother Annie, Manfred and Maripi, Matthias and Heike, Lara and David.
And kids.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from both of us.
God bless.